I've never gotten rid of rats and mice this quickly. Today, I'm going to show you 2 methods for getting rid of them, and each one takes only a few minutes. The first is intended for places where mice and rats only appear occasionally, while the second can be used when there are already too many of them. Let's start with the first method. Take a bowl of hot water and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Piperine gives pepper its characteristic heat, while its strong properties repel rodents. Then add half a teaspoon of ground cloves. Cloves are rich in eugenol, which rodents cannot tolerate. Now add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Menthol and menthone affect their sense of smell and drive them away from the treated area. Mix everything thoroughly and leave it for a few hours so the ingredients can infuse into the water as much as possible. After that, strain the liquid through cheesecloth or a very fine strainer. Now we're missing one more ingredient that rodents hate the most. Add some vinegar. Besides repelling them, vinegar also disinfects surfaces they have contaminated. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Don't spray it randomly all over the yard. It's much better to treat areas where you have already found signs of rodent activity. Pay special attention to corners, cracks, passages along walls, and places behind objects where rodents may hide. This mixture also repels cockroaches. If you've noticed a much larger number of rodents, then you may need to use the second method. The first ingredient is some dry bread, which we're going to grind in a mill. Add 1 tablespoon of buckwheat as well. While I'm doing that, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Thank you very much. Once everything has been ground, pour it into a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa. Its scent will make the mixture even more attractive to rodents. Now we're missing one more key ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of construction plaster and mix everything thoroughly. Put this mixture inside an old sock and push it into their holes or place it where you have noticed them. Try to handle the sock as little as possible with your hands because rodents can detect human scent. This attracts rats and encourages them to eat the mixture. Once they drink water afterward, the plaster will harden and that's it. Use this method only as an absolute last resort when you have no other options and rodents are causing serious damage to your property.